Hello viewers, people watching this video, and welcome to an Infinitcode AI introductory video explaining how to use it, features, and I'll even show an example as well. So I have the laptop in front of me. We got the home page here showing some basic information, review statistics, repository activity, what has been sent, which pull requests are open. And if we go to repos, we have here as well all the repositories of the organization. So let's go to the demo one. There we go. So here we have a bunch of options for configuration, a bunch of settings. We can, for example, we can select which AI model you would like to use to review your code. So we have multiple options here. We can also select the tone that the AI will give the reviews in, whether you want an assertive fashion or technical or friendly. There's also a neutral. We can also enter custom instructions for the AI. We can also have a roast feature where if you would like your AI to roast you, if you're masochistic about that, you know, a little bit of fun. We like to have fun here. We can also configure style settings. So if you would like the AI to review your code style and enforce some rules about that, you can do as such here. Function names, class names, variable names, and so on. Here you can auto-generate a git ignore based upon the language of the repo. So for example, if it's Node, it will git ignore Node modules. Here we can also, in the destination branches to ignore, we can ignore making code reviews on certain branches. So for example, if you are merging everything into dev and then from dev you merge into main, you don't need to have a code review from dev to main because it's already been reviewed by the other branches. So if the destination branch is main, you can, for example, not have any code reviews on that. So with that being said, let's go to pull requests and let's have a look at an example pull request review. So here we are. So this is what the review will look like. In this case, the AI is suggesting improvements. It is telling you what has changed in the file. Search items in this file, in this file, and in this file. It tells you the context and what has changed. Here it will rank its reviews based upon what it deems as most severe, critical severity, major severity. It will give you suggestions on how to repair your bugs. Here it will, as well, it will also tell you about any code style issues. If you have the code roast enabled, this is where it will give it to you, so you can have fun with that. And you are also able to talk to it just like you would any other normal AI. So for example, question was asked here on what the purpose of this pull request was, what it's supposed to achieve. And so the AI responds as it would in a normal comment fashion, telling you, this is the intention of this pull request. These are the improvements that we have recommended. And then you can keep talking to it. You can keep asking it questions, seeking help. For example, you can ask it if there are any more efficient, simpler alternatives worth considering. And again, it will give you its recommendations, different pathways to solving any bug issues or performance issues. And it can keep good context on that. So it's pretty simple to use, pretty seamless. It will help you with pull requests, code reviews, performance issues, bug issues, security issues, anything you could detect in your pull request to let you know so that you can produce better code. So that is it for this video. If you have any other questions, we will have the Discord link to Infinitcode AI in the description. as well. You can access it in here as well. There's, in the support section, we have the Discord link directly here. So feel free to come in, ask us any questions. We'll be happy to guide you through any problems you might have. Thank you and have a good day.